For Gunite pools, you can actually use a weighted vacuum head that's wheeled. This would not be appropriate for a pool with a vinyl liner, as debris can sometimes get stuck in the wheels and damage your liner. In vacuuming a pool, make sure you vacuum slowly and go back and forth directionally so that you do not miss any debris. You can also vacuum on the sides of the pool if necessary to make sure that you capture everything or anything that could be stuck to the sides of the walls. Alright, so right now you see us vacuuming another Gunite pool. There's a bit of algae that's accumulated on the bottom, so as we stated in our other video, we are vacuuming it to waste. This is a Gunite pool, so we're using our Gunite vacuum head with wheels on it, and we're making sure to not only brush or vacuum the bottom of the pool, but we're also vacuuming the sides as well, where you can see the visible algae. The whole goal again is to make sure you vacuum the entire pool. And it's also useful when doing this to have a garden hose in the pool to fill it back up with water, because with vacuuming to waste, you are discharging water from your pool. After going through the whole process of vacuuming, it is also useful to go back and brush all of the spots in the pool and then shock it with a heavy dose of chlorine. So if you have questions, or if you need us to come out and help clean your pool up, make it look like the water is nice, crystal and sparkling, you can always reach us at the Handy Family at 585-269-4525, or you can visit our website at www.thehandyfamilyinc.com. Look forward to hearing from you, and happy swimming.